So it's that time. June has come and gone, so it is time to look at our numbers, to really dig deep and look at what happened in the month of June. The income report is in, and I'm super excited to share that June was our best month yet. And as a reminder, I make these videos to help you on your journey. If there's something here that stands out and you have any questions over, let me know in the comment section down below or reach out to me. I'm more than happy to be a resource for you, because what may be working for me may work for your channel as well. So be sure to reach out if there's anything that you'd like a bit more clarity on. Hey Jaime, if we're just meeting, welcome to the channel that brings actionable content to grow your business through online marketing. So if that sounds beneficial, consider subscribing. All right, so let's dig right in. I know you're excited to get to the numbers because we had a fantastic June. Thank you so much for all of you. Thank you so much for watching, for sharing, commenting, liking, subscribing, turning on the notification bell, all that fun stuff. So thank you so much. It's really starting to show. For the month of June, our views went up drastically. That is, by rough math, that's about 8,300 views in increase. So an increase of 8,300 views for June. Our watch hours went from 3,200 to 3,900. This is the highest watch hours that we have had in any month. Monetized views went up 7,000. So again, the highest number that we've ever had. Now, playback CPM, this is actually one of the lowest CPMs that we've ever had. So as you can see, the only other one that was lower than that was in January. And this is something that I am going to have to dig in a little bit further on, because as you can see, there's been a big drop off. And here we were talking about the pandemic. So there's really something here. I need to figure this out, because here is where you had people pulling away from advertising and my CPM went up. Here, when a lot of the advertising has started coming back, it's going down. So we need to figure out what's happening there. But that's something that hopefully I'll have an answer for you in July. Just right now, measuring this number is telling me that this is something I really need to take a look at this point. Revenue per view, so 4 cents per view. Meaning if you stick through the end, this is 4 cents that you're helping me out with. So thank you so much. That's awesome. Subs gained, we almost got to 1,000. We almost got to 1,000 in 1 month. That's going to be a huge milestone. I'm super excited. This month we are trending to hit 1,000 subscribers per month. So for the month of June. So let's keep it up. Thank you so much for everybody that shared, everybody that subscribed and turned on the notification bell. You're super awesome. Impressions, it went up drastically. It went up over 100,000. Again, that's a big number, so I don't know what the math is ultimately between the two. But as you can see, here we didn't see much movement. From here to here, we didn't see much movement. And then we had a monstrous March to April when it came to impressions. In May, we had another huge jump. And then here, again, it's the largest impressions that we have had, meaning the video showed up in a lot of your news feeds. So a lot of the SEO is working. So that is amazing. I'm super excited for that. All right, the click-through rate, this did drop. So we kind of went backwards in time. We had our best click-through rate here in May. So this means that anytime the video showed up and people clicked on it, that is our click-through rate. So the percentage of about 5.1% of the time that it shows, of all the times that the video is shown, 5.1% of the time it's clicked. There we go. All right, average retention rate, it's a little bit over 5 minutes, and I'm actually okay with that. June we had some larger videos, not too many, but that was something that we were going to focus on this month, in making a few longer videos because they're more tutorial based, not for the sake of having longer videos, but the type of videos that we were making, that was going to change. And it did dip a little bit, but we'll be okay with that. In-screen clicks, this is something that I'm super excited about. As you see here, we've been slowly making the improvement. So the outro has been making a huge difference, where I encourage you to check out something else, whether that's a playlist, whether that's another video that is popular, and really guiding you to that next step. So I'm super excited about that. We've had the largest amount of clicks at the end screen. Average percentage viewed, that has increased as well. So that's something that we're focusing back in March. Unique visitors, we had another great month. As you can see the numbers, except for there, which February was our best month up until May. You can see that the numbers are trending upward. Average views per viewer, so that means of the first viewers that come in, what's the average, how many videos do they watch on average? So everybody that gets introduced at least watches 2 videos on this channel.
Goku, what are you doing on my computer? What are you doing?
Wow.
All right, subscriber notification bell. So what's the percentage of people that turn on the notification bell? We have 3.8%. So this is something that we were focusing on in June. So if you noticed in my outros, I'm going to say something to the effect of, hey, don't forget to subscribe if you found value, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss another video. So I strategically placed that at the end because at that point you have already watched, and I've also making a point to call that out. So it was a slight increase, but still not in the numbers that we wanted to. A success for me would have been hitting a 15% there. So we'll continue working on that. That is a new, that's something I did add to the script. So we are going to be making some changes there. Not subscribe versus subscribe, 80%. So as you can see here, 80% of the viewers are not subscribed. So this is a huge opportunity for me to ask you, go ahead and subscribe. I really appreciate that. So this number can go lower. This is, that's what we're after. And then likes, this is something that I have added. We can see that in July, we need to focus on the not subscribe versus subscribe. And then in August, we're going to focus on the likes, the overall likes. So this is a category that I just added. But again, this spreadsheet is designed to keep me focused, gives me a good sense of what's working, what isn't working, and all that fun stuff. But you came here to see the results. You came here to see not only the results that you're seeing on screen now, but also what did June look like in terms of revenue. So let's head over to our YouTube channel. There's my buddy Trevor Jones. Go subscribe. He's a good subscribe. I promise you, you won't regret it. All right, so as a reminder, we have vidIQ up here, which is a free extension. TubeBuddy as well. It's a free extension, so this helps me measure how my channel is working real time. Again, both of these are linked down below. If you want to go to the premium version, that is an affiliate link. I have the star account for TubeBuddy. The vidIQ one, that one's free. So essentially, I do not pay for the premium version there. I do pay for the premium version in TubeBuddy. We're going to go to analytics. All right, we're going to go to revenue. All right, and then we're going to go to June. And there we go. Up 21%, almost $1,800. So $1,790 with 63 cents for the month of June, which is our best month yet. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. As you can see, we had 1,500 last month, which was our highest month up until this month. And you see the trailing months, what we've been doing so far. If we click here, we're going to see the entire projection of it. I don't like how it's presented, so we're going to X out of that. But as you can see, June has been amazing to us. We were averaging, I don't even know what the average is per day on that, but we had some monster days. We had 80s, we had 70s, a good amount of 60s, good amount of 50s. So we are trending upwards. So I'm excited about that. Let's go for 2020 so you can see kind of what it's been looking like. We had some peaks up here, and then we started kind of cooling off, and then we're starting to heat up again. So I'm excited again. Thank you so much for the for the year 2020. This channel has generated a little bit over $1,100. So of course that is not enough to make a living, but this is a great distribution platform for me. And if you're going into YouTube and are banking on receiving this CPM, know that that does not happen very often. So know that a normal CPM, or something that is more reasonable, is in the single digits of CPM. If you're in the entertainment niche, if you're in the education space, you can expect $10, $20, $30 of CPM, but certainly not that high. So if you're making calculations based off of this, I invite you to reconsider, because you can see even me having an immensely high CPM, the estimated revenue is not all that high. Where you're making money on, at least I'm making money off of YouTube, is in the affiliates. And just to give you one example, I have one affiliate, just one affiliate. I have many, but just one affiliate actually earns me more than this per month. And that's just one affiliate. And as you can see, I'm publishing every single day. So if you're making YouTube your primary way to grab that bag, as the kids say, think long and hard. Think long and hard. I'm not trying to take anybody's dreams away, but just be a realist about what you're using this platform for. For me, it's a distribution. It's a way to distribute my my brand, my content, and get exposed to different opportunities. It's this right here. This is not my primary driver. That's awesome to have. It's amazing to see. But at the end of the day, this is this will cover a mortgage. But there's more than the mortgage. There's still food. There's still gas. There's still, well, I have a Tesla, so there's electricity that I have to cover. So all that fun stuff. I'm rambling at this point. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for everything. I'm really excited. We are trending upward. I can't wait to see what July holds in store for us. Well, that was a fun income report. June was amazing, and I can't wait for July, August, September, October, and on and on. So that's going to be amazing, but you might be interested in learning how to actually create your first YouTube video. So I'll leave a video right here that's going to help you do that. Also, if you found value today, please be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And of course, make it your best day yet.